BlockFi Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to BlockFi are in the description. BlockFi is a popular crypto platform known for offering a range of services, including crypto staking with high-yield rewards. It's designed for both novices and seasoned investors who want to earn passive income from their digital assets. BlockFi supports a range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and stablecoins, allowing users to earn interest on their holdings while maintaining flexibility. One of the standout features of BlockFi is its user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate and start staking. Staking on BlockFi allows users to earn competitive interest rates, which range from 4.5% to 9.5% APY, depending on the asset. BlockFi's rewards are paid out monthly, offering a steady stream of passive income, which is perfect for those looking to earn without the complexities of active trading. Another major benefit of BlockFi is its security. The platform employs bank-level security protocols, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, to ensure that your funds are protected. BlockFi also offers insurance coverage for funds held in their custody, adding an extra layer of peace of mind. For users looking for more personalized services, BlockFi also offers a VIP program for larger stakers, which includes exclusive benefits and higher yields. For investors who want to stake without locking their funds for extended periods, BlockFi offers flexible staking options, so you can withdraw your crypto at any time. However, for those willing to lock their assets in longer-term staking, BlockFi does provide higher APYs in return. In conclusion, BlockFi is an excellent platform for those looking to earn passive income from their crypto holdings. With competitive interest rates, flexible staking options, and top-tier security, it's a solid choice for crypto investors. Check the links in the description to get started with BlockFi today.